Yeah. Let's start with some focus issue. Hi. Thank you. Bye. Hi. This video for introducing myself, and I think it will be difficult because I try to understand myself and I'm not. I can understand. So I hope I can introduce myself clearly. I'm Aysenur and I came from Turkey. I grew up kinda little town, and I have too many good friends in my home city. So it's affect my life in a good way. It's make me kind of so friendship is very important for me. And then I moved to İzmir to my university. Something else. I like İzmir. I graduated to international relations, which is really important for me because it's a multidisciplinary. And it makes me knowledgeable about how I make some cooperation with different things. After that, I realized many things like I can do everything together, I think. And then I'm a little bit nervous, sorry. As I'm a multitasking person, yeah, I'm multitasking. Please, Maya, don't laugh me. Okay, as I'm a multitasking person, I start to work during my time as a student. I work too many different places, but the most important place is Greenpeace. I work voluntarily and professional at Greenpeace, and it's learned me too many things about doing something, people power, getting together, and something else. So I understand I need to do something with non-governmental organizations or civil moving or something. Yeah, this is the boring part. Let's start with the fun part. I like taking photos, and it's the easy way to explain myself. On the other hand, I'm dancing. I do dance. I'm lindo hopping. Lindo hop is kinda old dance from 13th, 14th, and it's like a time machine. And I like jazz music also, so it's the perfect combination for me. Like painting, like self-healing, because I need self-healing, because I'm crazy. Yes, sorry. I like painting. I always paint everything, like tables, walls, refrigerator, something else, and it's make me calm. I like the painting. I think that's all. Not all, but I'm nervous, so I'll explain myself with videos taken by me, and I hope you can understand.